Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best.
Clamp meter.
Number 5.
Astroay digital multimeter with on-board AM. Check out our video on the left side and take a quick tour of multimeter. Troubleshoots automotive and household electrical problems safely and accurately. Ease of use, data hold and large digital display with backlit LCD for visibility in dimly light areas. Sampling speed, 2 times per second. Overload protection on all ranges. Built-in kickstand for hand-free use. Protective rubber corner guards for drop protection.
Number 4.
Nova MS8233D auto ranging digital multimeter. Built-in double fuse. Overload protection on all ranges. Accurately measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current. Designed with 3 1/2 digit LCD display and backlight, showing data hold, maximum value hold, function switching, auto power off. Sampling speed, 3 times per. Don't forget to install the 9V battery before using the digital multimeter.
Number 3.
Mitchell hard travel case fits Astroay. Mitchell hard travel storage carrying case. Protect your favorite device from bumps, dents and scratches. Made to fit Astroay at XDM SRR500 digital multimeter voltage tester meter. Material, Ava. Color, black. Internal size, 5.7 asterisk, 3.1 asterisk. For sale as case only, device and accessories are sold separately.
Number 2.
Innova 3300 hands-free digital multimeter. Your personal home and auto electrical tester UL certified product. Designed to safely and accurately troubleshoot a variety of automotive and household electrical problems. Features 10 meg-ohm circuitry to prevent damage to sensitive automotive electronics. Includes test lead holders for hands-free testing. Includes easy-to-read instructions in English, French and Spanish.
Number 1.
NACO 40508 digital multimeter. A portable, general-purpose digital voltmeter multimeter to test wires, batteries, cells. A safe and accurate tool for troubleshooting problems in automotive and household settings. Includes large, easy to read LCD screen and accurately measures resistance. Red and black leads to test electrical system components including diodes. Built-in overload protector keeps the meter from any possible damage.